Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add blog to your Shopify store. So it's actually pretty simple. First of all, you have to go ahead and click on this online store. As soon as you do that, you have here your blog post next to themes. Go ahead and click that one. And then you are going to go ahead and write your own first blog. So go ahead and click create blog, and then from this point forward I'm just going to go ahead and use this blog here that I asked ChatGPT to write a blog. So this is for the sake of example. I'm going to go ahead and put the title, and then for the content I just basically copy everything here. So again, this is not ideal, but I'm doing this just for the sake of example, everybody. So there you go, I have already put it here, and now we are just going to go ahead. Now I'm going to just go ahead and make some few changes, like for the store name and little bit these things. And of course, go ahead and try to personalize it. You can put pictures, videos, and so many others in here. So try to go ahead and personalize this as well, because you want this to be as much as possible engaging. Now go ahead and click visible, and then we are going to go ahead and add some images. So basically I don't have a lot of images, so you can use any image here. I'm just going to use it for example here. After adding image, go ahead and try to make some changes here, for example the author, and you can put this as a news, or you can go ahead and create a new blog. So I'm just going to go and put it in news. Then you have tags, the online store, and all these things. You have to check these things. After customizing this fully, go ahead and click on save. Now from this point forward, go ahead and hit navigation, and here in navigation we are going to choose main menu. Now we are going to go ahead and add a menu item. So this is going to be for our blog. Click this one here, choose blog, and then you have news again. This is where we saved it earlier. I'm going to add it, so you can see that we have now this blog here. So tap on save changes, and you are good to go, and you can see this on your store. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.